Have you wondered if your diet is making your baby fuzzy or gassy? So today, guys, we'll be talking about 7 foods you need to avoid while breastfeeding. If you're a breastfeeding mother or a new mom, you need to listen to this. Watch this video to the end. Some of these foods are caffeine, which you can find in tea, coffee, and soda. So they are not good for your baby because it can make the baby restless and also affect the baby's sleep. Number 2 is alcohol. Alcohol can affect your baby's development. So you don't need to take alcohol while you're breastfeeding. And number 3 is high mercury fish like swordfish, mackerel, and sharks. Mercury can damage your baby's nervous system. So please stay away from any high mercury fish. And number 4 is spicy foods. They are not good for your baby because it can make them fuzzy or gassy. So whenever you eat anything spicy and your baby's not comfortable after you breastfeeding your baby, try to stop it. Number 5 is dairy product. Some babies can be allergic to cow mix products, so try to find out because they might be having diarrhea or start crying after feeding. So you need to monitor your baby's behavior after feeding them. Then number 6 is gas causing vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, onions, and beans. It can also cause discomfort in the baby, so you just need to limit the amount at which you eat while you're breastfeeding. Then the last one is chocolate because it also contains caffeine, and your baby will also feel restlessness, and you don't need that to happen to your baby. So please, if you're a breastfeeding mother or about to be a new mom, try to put all these things into consideration so that your baby can grow very well and you'll be happy also, because once your baby is not feeling comfortable, you too will not be comfortable. So try to share this to people who may need it, and please kindly follow my page for more educational videos like this. Thank you and have a lovely day. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section and I will reply you. Thank you.